Good morning. Next program, smallest data in an array. Smallest data in an array. Here, array means number of memory locations. Number of memory locations. Suppose number of data 5. Now to find out the smallest data in 5 numbers. Write an assembly language program to search the smallest data in an array of n data stored in memory location from 8200 to 820 plus n. Suppose number of data 5, it will store 8200 number of data. Next, address location to load the data 1 to data 5. Data 1 to data 5. The first element of the array gives the number of data. Give the number of data in the array. Okay, in address 8200, we have to load the number of data. Store the smallest data in 8300H. Now 8200H number of data, we can load data 5. This is for number of data. Or counter. Next, 8201, 8202, 8203 and 8204 and 8205. Load 5 data. F of DD 09 76 and 1. This is for data 1, data 1. This is for data 2, and this is for data 3, and this is for data 4, and this is for data 5. Logic for smallest data in an array 8200 to load number of data. To load number of data. This is for to fix as a outer. Okay. Logic for smallest. Now 8200 address location data 05 number of data to move B register. Now B equal to 05. This is for number of data or outer. Okay. Next, address location data 1. The data 1, this is for memory address location 8200 to 8201. For that, to increment the memory address, the first data to move accumulator. Now A register F of data 1 to move accumulator. After that, to decrement number of data single times. The first data to move accumulator. Next, to increment the address, and the second data to move some other register. Suppose C register DD. Okay. Next, now to compare these two data. This is for Compare the two data means you have to compare accumulator with the C register. Okay. Now we check the carry status. If result is carried, when the carry flag will be set condition means the accumulator content is lesser than register data. At that time the carry flag will be set. Now accumulated data is less. Okay. Here smallest program means the accumulated data it should be smallest data. Okay. Further to compare these two, here the carry flag will be set or reset. When carry flag will be reset means when accumulated content is launched compared to registered data. When the carry flag will be set means the accumulated content is lesser than registered data. Now to check the carry status, if result is carry, okay. Now directly decrement the number of data and next data to move C register and to compare. When the accumulated data is already low data, that is smallest data. Now to compare these two, here the carry flag will be reset condition. Why means the accumulated data large. Okay. But in program to find out the smallest data, the always smallest data it should be in accumulator. Now to compare these two, here the carry flag will be reset. Now the accumulated data is larger. Now to move the registered data to accumulator. Now registered data to move accumulator. After that decrement the B register single times. Now B equal to 03 and to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0 means again increment the memory address 8202 to 8203. Now this address location data to move C register. Now C equal to 09. Now to compare these two data. Now to compare these two data, here the carry flag will be reset condition. Why? The accumulated data largest. But in program, the accumulated data it should be smallest data. For that, the C register data to move A register. Now register A equal to 09. Now decrement the B register content single times. Now B equal to 02. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again increment the memory address. Okay. Now the memory address 8204, that address location data to move C register. Now C equal to 76. Now to compare these two data. Here the carry flag will be set condition. Why? The accumulated itself lowest data, that is smallest data. Okay. Now directly to decrement the B register content single times. Now B equal to 1. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again jump to here, increment the address. Now 8205 is the address. Now the 01 data to move C register. Now C equal to 01. Now to compare these two data. Here the carry flag will be reset condition. Why? The accumulated largest data. But accumulated it should be lowest data. That is smallest data. Now the C register data to move A register. Now A equal to 01. Now to decrement B register. Now B equal to 0. Now to check the 0 flag. Now the 0 flag will be set condition. The 0 flag is set, the whatever data in accumulator that result to store 8300H. Now address 8301 address 01. This is the smallest data. This is the smallest data in an array. This is the logic. Okay. Okay. For this logic, to write the program first we have to initialize the memory address LXI H, 8200H. This is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory. Now the memory address location data to move B register. Number of data to move B register. Now B, M. Now B0, 5. Okay. Next, increment the memory address location. The memory address location available in HL register pair. Now to increment the HL register pair. INX H. INX H. Okay. Now address will be incremented. Now 8201 is the memory address location data. Now this address location data, this is for data 1 to move accumulator. We can use MOV A, M. The first data to move accumulator. For that, to decrement the number of data. DC or B. Now B equal to 04. Okay. Next, second data in 8202 further to increment the memory address. Again, we can use INX H. Second data to move C register. Memory data to move C register. Now A register FF and C register DD. Okay. Now to compare these two data, accumulator with the C register, we can use CMPC. Now to compare accumulator with the C register and to check the result whether it is carry or not. If result is carry, jump to here directly to decrement the B register. Why means the accumulator itself lowest data. Okay. Now directly to decrement the C register single times. Sorry, B register. B register decrement. Now B equal to 03. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. B register. No 0 means jump to again this address location. Now to increment the memory address to get the second data. But here accumulator FF and C register DD. Now to compare these two, here the carry flag will be reset condition. Reset means this condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means execute the next address location. Here the C register lowest data compared with the A register. Now to C register data to move A register. Here smallest data means it should be in accumulator. The C register data to move accumulator. Now MOV A, C. Now C data to move A register. Now ADD. After that decrement B register. Now B equal to 03. And to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0 means jump to this address location, increment the memory. Now memory will be 8203. 8203 address location data to move C register. Now C equal to 09. After that compare accumulator with the C register. Here the carry flag will be reset condition. Now this condition is unsatisfied means execute the next address location. Why? The accumulated largest data. Here always accumulated it should be lowest data. Now the C register data is lowest data. Now to move A register. Now A09. A09 and decrement B. B equal to 02. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again jump to here. Increment H. Now 8204. The 8204 address location data 76. 76 to move C register. Now C 76 and compare accumulated with the C register. Accumulated 09 and C register 76. Now to compare these two, here the carry flag will be set condition. Why? The accumulated itself lowest data. Now this condition will be satisfied. Directly jump to here. No need to execute move A comma C. Now directly jump to here. Decrement B. B equal to 01. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again jump to here. Increment H. Increment H. Now 8205. Now this is the memory address location. This location data to move C register. Now C equal to 01. Again compare C. Compare C means accumulated with the C register. Now we check the carry flag set or reset condition. Here the carry flag will be reset. Why? The accumulated data largest data. But registered data lowest data. We have to move the registered data to accumulated. Now this condition will be unsatisfied. Move C comma A. Now C registered data to move accumulated. Accumulated 01 and then decrement B. B equal to 00. Now B equal to 0, this condition will be unsatisfied. Okay. Now the smallest data available in accumulator. The accumulator result to store STA. STA means to store the accumulated result. The given memory address location 8300H and all to the program. This is a program for to find out the smallest data in an array. Okay. Thank you.